I am going to open two new essential oils with you that I have never met or tried, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of information on my impressions about those and also how you might use these. We're going to be talking about Spanish sage and red thyme, and these are from a new company called True that also makes this amazing waterless diffuser. So all of you who keep inboxing me asking me what my favorite diffuser is, that is definitely it. And these are all on sale in their spring sale through the end of this week, and you can find the info here. All right, first Spanish sage, and point of clarification here, this is not your regular sage, your Salvia officinalis. This is Salvia lavandulifolia. I can't say that today. Oh my gosh, this is a very interesting scent. It's like very strong, very direct. So this is considered sort of a cure-all in Spain where it's mainly sourced from, and it is good for a wide variety of complaints. Anything from, you could throw this in your diffuser if you have colds and flus going around your house, to you could put this in a carrier oil for skin conditions, arthritic conditions. You could even do an abdominal massage with it if you have digestive complaints. And it is considered a stimulant, and you can really feel that when you smell this essential oil. It is like, well, I mean, you can probably see it in my eyes, like I'm going, whoa, this is really interesting. And it's really uplifting. It smells green, it smells fresh. It makes me feel like my eyes just got brighter. Red thyme, Thymus vulgaris. This is one of those essential oils that you need to really treat with respect. Yeah, it smells very culinary, like something you'd cook with, because that is the thyme plant that you would be cooking with in your kitchen. However, when this is distilled, it contains a very large amount of what are called phenols, which are compounds that can be very irritating to the respiratory system and to the skin. So why would we even want to use an essential oil like this? It's very good for dealing with infections, especially cold conditions in the lungs. So this has a lot of fire element. If you have cold conditions in the lungs like congestion, you've got people in your house that are fighting colds and flus, you can, at very small amounts, diffuse this safely, except if you're pregnant. And you're going to not use this unless you really need to. This is like the big guns, right? So use this one with respect. It smells earthy. It smells a lot like oregano, actually. And very, very forward, very strong, very fiery. So again, use with respect, use it safely. Don't put it on your skin, and just diffuse this if you choose to use it.